Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 24 is a good question illustrating how to tackle a problem. First of all, look at the question. The question is about potassium ion channel. Focus on this. So you try to link it up with what? Okay, action potential and resting potential. So first of all, look at the graph. Okay, first of all, you have to recall where is the action potential here. It is the action potential and this is the resting potential, right? So by this understanding, and then you have to understand what is the drug. With the drugs is here, so it moves to the right. Okay, it's the change. Okay, by the drug. So by this understanding, which option must be incorrect? You can eliminate them. A, B, C, D. Take some time to look at it. Yes, by using the drugs. Okay, the resting potential is shortened. It should be shortened, not lengthened. Okay, and this one, okay, action potential is lengthened, but you have to look at the explanation. So next one is talk about repolarization, depolarization, and lots of words. Then you have to think about the procedure, how this repolarization, how the potential change. So remember what happened here is the sodium ion pump in. So repolarization appears. Okay, later on the potassium ion channel open, the potassium ion comes out, and the sodium ions move out with it together. So this is depolarization. So look at this understanding of repolarization and depolarization. That is fit the answer of A and B. Take a look. Both of them are wrong. You see, it delays repolarization. No, it delays depolarization. By preventing the influx of potassium ions towards the cytoplasm. Next one, it delays depolarization due to a buildup of potassium ion outside the neuron. No, no delay of depolarization is here. Does it delay it? Does it delay by build up of potassium ion outside the neuron? No, 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 no. By not letting it go up. So you saw both A, B, C has a problem, but at last you have to look at the IBDP problem too. It lengthens the action potential, it means this part. By reducing the rates of potassium ion released from the cytoplasm, yeah, releasing out slowly, so sodium release slowly, so it means that the potassium channel open slowly or not that much opened, okay? So the answer is D. You got it? Well done. See you for next question. Bye.